Finally, the word problems portion of the review page. When I read the first problem, I saw that it was a distance equals rate times time problem. But again, when I write the chart for this particular problem, I noticed that this has in the same time. So I knew that I would probably want the version of the equation, which is distance divided by rate equals time. And we have a mallard duck, so I'm going to use D for duck. And we have a heron, so I'm going to use H. And it says that the duck can go 500 miles in the same time that the heron can go 150 miles. We know that there is a relationship between their speeds. The duck is 35 minutes faster than the heron, so the heron gets my x, and the duck is faster, so it gets x plus 35. Remember that we have to divide these, and we get them coming out to be the same time, so we can set those equal. So I end up with a proportion that is 500 over x plus 35 equals 150 over x. That's probably easiest to solve using cross products. So I wrote 500x equals 150x plus 5250, because that is 35 times 150. Moving this to the other side is 350x equals my 5250. And when I divide both sides by 350, I get that x equals 15. So it says here to find the speed for both birds. So I found the 15, which represents the heron speed, and that would be 15 miles per hour. But then I have to add 15 to 35, which gives me 50 miles per hour, which would be the speed of the mallard duck. The next problem is a work rates problem, and it talks about Jody and Jamie. So we'll write Jody as J-O, Jamie as J-A, and then together. And it says we only know together. We know that they're delivering papers in 15 minutes together, but we don't know either one by themselves. We do know something, though. We know that Jody is 3 times as long as Jamie. So if Jamie is x, then Jody becomes 3x. So the equation that I write is the part of the job that Jody can do plus the part of the job that Jamie can do equals how much of the job they can do together. The LCD here is 15x. Again, that'll cancel with the 3x down to a 5. It'll cancel with that x down to a 15, and it cancels with that 15 down to just an x. So they're saying here that x equals 20, which means that Jamie can deliver the papers in 20 minutes by herself. But Jody's slower. She's got the 3 times x, which is 3 times 20, or 60 minutes. So how long would it take Jody by herself? It would take her 60 minutes to deliver those papers.